Hey everybody, welcome back and happy Wednesday. I hope everybody's doing amazing this Wednesday morning. Welcome back to Lasean's PTO, where I do present you with part-time only remote opportunities. So I do have two great opportunities for you today. We're going to go ahead and get straight into it. But before we do, if you have not yet taken advantage of the special that I'm having on my resume revamps and coaching this week, definitely take advantage of it. I am showing you guys some reviews from my happy clients who have had success with my resume revamping services. They have gotten interviews, they have finally gotten jobs after months and months and months of being on the job market. I would love to assist you guys as well, so definitely take advantage of $20 off right now, and you can use the code special20 at checkout. The link is going to be in the description bar for you. I look forward to assisting you. So let's get into our first opportunity. Now this is coming from the company Healthy Gamer. So this company right here is a digital mental health platform. They offer online mental health resources, peer coaching, and a community tailored for gamers, content creators, and the digital generation. And so right now they do have an opportunity as a customer service representative, billing specialist, part-time, of course, and I do have the compensation highlighted for you here. Now, one thing I like about this opportunity is that it doesn't seem like you're going to be on the phone. You're going to be interacting with customers via email, online chat, or other electronic means to provide support and information on an assigned product or service. You'll answer customer inquiries and resolve billing problems and concerns and take appropriate action to bring issues to closure. And you'll maintain customer accounts and records of interactions, including inquiries, complaints, and comments. And you'll resolve assigned billing tasks efficiently so general CSRs can complete tickets within reasonable time frames. You'll maintain and manage collection records and activities for delinquent accounts and use knowledge of Happy Gamer specific products, services, and other assigned areas of expertise to answer inquiries. You'll also partner with the customer service manager and resolve disputed payments and also uphold billing standards and policies and identify and implement process improvement, contributing to a culture of continuous improvement within the team. They do want 1 to 2 years of financial or billing experience in a service industry, preferably client-facing environments. They love 1 to 2 years of client service experience in healthcare, also service-oriented, and an understanding of basic accounting and billing principles. And they want you to be proficient in Google Workspace, Excel, Slack, Discord, Stripe, and HubSpot. Now, they would prefer experience in collections or delinquent account management, and experience and proficiency in Stripe's payment processing platform, experience in startup or growth environments, familiarity with insurance billing, claims processes, and communicating with payers. Another great thing about this opportunity is they are letting us know the training schedule, which will be within normal business hours. It's going to be for 1 week, and it's going to be 3 to 4 hours per day. So 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday. So I appreciate the fact that they're letting us know that. And they would like for you to include a cover letter and a few words about why Healthy Gamer is interesting to you. So great opportunity. Get your applications in as soon as possible. Let's move on to our next one, which is coming from Surrogacy Is. So this is an independent, women-led surrogacy agency that coordinates the matching and pregnancy journey between intended parents and surrogates. Okay, so right now they are looking for an insurance coordinator. So with this company, they do not have their career section on their website. They use Gusto, and Gusto is separate. So if you want to do a search of this opportunity, you're going to search Surrogacy Gusto Careers. And so they're looking for an insurance coordinator. This job involves overseeing all insurance related aspects of gestational carrier journeys from intake through delivery, and you're going to serve as the primary point of contact for surrogate health insurance, and you're going to be responsible for coordinating insurance reviews, tracking insurance timelines, and also managing policy placement and ensuring every gestational carrier has appropriate pregnancy coverage prior to embryo transfer. You'll be partnering closely with journey coordinators, finance, and external insurance vendors to proactively manage insurance requirements, minimize delays, and provide an exceptional client experience throughout the journey. And so with this opportunity right here, they would like an associate's degree or equivalent professional experience, 4 more years of experience in insurance coordination, healthcare administration, case management, fertility, surrogacy, or a related field. experience working with ART, risk, or similar insurance review organizations, and familiarity with ACA marketplace enrollment. And so I do have the compensation highlighted for you here. So these are all of the opportunities that I have for you guys today. I may be back one more time this week with another video. If not, I will be back next week with more opportunities for you. Don't forget to check out my resume review and revamping services and take advantage of that special, which does end at the end of this week. And I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Good luck to everyone who gets to apply for the jobs.